In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use the Hik-connect mobile app. If you have an iOS device, you can just download the app from the App Store and search for Hik-connect. Since this is an Android device, we're going to go to the browser because we can't download it from the Google Play Store, and we're going to go to the Hikvision App Store. So that's going to be appstore.hikvision.com. The first app that shows up happens to be the Hik-connect for end user. We're going to download this app. After the app downloads, we're going to install it. Now that the app's completed downloading, I'm going to install it. After the app installs, I'm going to launch the Hik-connect app. The first thing we want to do is select the region. So I'm going to select the region. Next, I'm going to enter my Hik-connect credentials. Log in. Common error here is trying to enter your username in the mobile phone number section. So you want to click this envelope here. We're going to put a username instead. Now I'm going to enter my password. And I'm going to log in. When I log in, I'm going to see all the devices available to me. This particular login only has one device. If I want to see the cameras that belong to this device, I'm going to double click on that device. The first time that I try to connect, it's going to ask me for the verification code or the encryption password, which this one happens to be QWERTY. So I'm going to enter QWERTY here. Now that I've entered QWERTY, I'm going to go back to the previous screen, and I'm going to click on the device again. You'll notice this time all of the cameras load. I'm going to tap on one screen so I can see it in full screen. If I want to see the high-res main screen, I'm going to switch this from basic to HD, and you'll see the quality improves. If you have a PTZ, you can go to this icon over here and control your PTZ. There is no PTZ on this system, so I can't show you that. There's also a magnifying glass if you want to do a digital zoom. You can see the magnifying glass over here. I'm going to show you how to play back video now, so we're going to go to the previous page. On the top left, you have this play button over here. I'm going to tap on the play button. I'm going to choose the device. If there are multiple devices here, I can choose which DVR or NVR I want to play back from, and I'm going to choose which cameras. I can do up to 4 at a time. This device only has 3 cameras, so I'm going to choose the first 3. I want to select a date and a time. Then I'm going to press Start Playback. Here you can see the video playback. That's all for this video. Thank you.